Bob Marley is telling us that emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. That's a quote from Bob Marley. It comes from his song called Redemption Song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Oh, some say it's just a part of it. We just got to fulfill the book. Won't you hear me sing these songs of freedom? Is all I ever had. Redemption song. To the reggae lovers, you might know Redemption Song from Bob Marley. And what Bob Marley meant about emancipate yourself from mental slavery, none but ourselves can free our mind. He meant that you need in life to try to value your mental health. People are bragging these days. The United Nations are bragging. People are bragging that they are wise. But a lot of wisdoms were hidden in the brain of Bob Marley. I may sound stupid, but that's the fact. A lot of campaigns are now being run out of Bob Marley's philosophy, which he passed it through his songs. The mental health awareness being run by United Nations is what Bob Marley said here. Value your mental health. Take a break from hard work. Take a break from hard thinking. Desist from hard situations that will derail your mental health. That's what it meant. Thanks to Bob Marley, and may your soul rest in eternal peace.